I got this one. The first track is broken. He was sleeping, maybe there, and stand up, and I gave him a clean shot. Beautiful mountain, forest. Okay, very close to the town. Yeah. Anyhow, stag. Oh, the other side. The top arches are round. Very beautiful stag. However, first rock on both sides lacking. No good. First rock is the most important rock. Broken and broken. This arch, kind of oval shape. From this side, thin, and from this side, thick, and thin, like a boomerang. Beautiful stag. I have not yet decided how I will do with this stag, bring back or not. Okay, anyhow, let's do it. I have 3 knobs here. Custom skinner. And yes. Stag handle 125. And yeah. G10 handle 125. Today it is not very cold day. Minus 5 degrees. So I feel it's cold. However, stag is warmer. Between the two, leather is the warmest, medium and cold. Okay, first I'll do it with 125. It's brand new. I'm sorry, not yet sharpened by myself, so a bit dull. It's factory edge, so my strap edge chest wound, 1 shot kill. A bit to remain. Very good. Stag handle. Regular holding. Regular holding comfortable. Choking up. This thick portion is a bit annoying. When I choke up, regular G10 or micro handle is more comfortable. However, regular holding like this, no good, not very good. In this regular holding, thick Stag is better. Oh, very comfortable. Okay. It's a really big back strap. Absolutely. Custom skin. Whoa! I sharpened. This is the sharpest. Not very carefully sharpened by myself. Last night I did it very carefully. This is the sharpest knife now. Okay. Geometry is deepest, however now sharpest. This is very fast knife. Very comfortable. Always, the sharp knife is the best knife. This Stag with blood, very slick. Slick, yes. More slick than. Slickness is same. However, this shape better. This round shape not very good. In bloody situation, slick. Absolutely slick. Regular holding comfortable. However, choking up slick. Regular holding very good. Regular holding cold and not very good. However, choking up very good. Benefit and losing. Advantage and disadvantage. Plus and minus. However, for regular people, I recommend this regular handle than Stag. No good. Regular good. And this is pretty sharp knife when stropped very carefully. Custom skinner. Very fast knife. Very good knife. Custom skinner. Test this here. Over there, test this. And under this superficial muscle, great muscle will appear. Anus here. Okay, cut straight down. Okay. Great muscle came up. Huge muscle. This is very very good muscle. Another side. Stag version 125. One more test is here. Okay, here, finish. Great, very big. Leather washer, yeah. This knife has a leather washer version. Leather washer should be the best selection in practice, maybe, for this knife.
Hi, knife people. Today I searched for deer near town. You know, I have walked all around the mountain, so the deer get closer to the town. Usually we don't go, and I very easily met a deer. It was sleeping, maybe, and stand and watch me. Still, easy shot, 100 yard. However, antlers very beautiful. However, first rocks broken, no good. The most important rock. So I left it there. So I'm happy. However, I am not very happy now. Anyhow, and this mic cutter was cold under -5 degrees Celsius. Not very cold today. And I didn't stopped this edge very well after the previous hunt, so this was not scary sharp. No good. Around here, micro problems must be. Before the hunt, I believe this problem there. And this knife had factory edge when I dressed deer. No problem. Just a bit problem. However, basically no problem. good edge. Last night, I know this knife was dull, and take care of this edge very well. No problem. Sharpest edge today. No problem. Absolutely. Edge geometry is different. Yeah, relatively to these knives, steep convex. However, sharpest today, and the most high speed and comfortable knife today. This handle, leather washer handle, is good, better than Stag and Micarta. G10. This Stag handle, basically, surface is slick. However, in full hand holding, fist holding, not fist, however, full hand holding like this, very comfortable and grippy. However, once I choke up, wriggle in my hand, slick, no good. Basically, this knife needs choking up, I believe. So, for that purpose, this handle, relatively large handle to slender micarta handle, and the round shape, no good. This is better. However, in choking up, comfortable. However, regular holding, unstable. Stable handle is this knife, leather washer. Today, the best knife is this custom Skinner. Very good knife. Dependable. Geometry, great. Today or last chance, I don't know. Edge problem around here. Because very shallow convexing, and I have dressed many years with this knife, and I didn't stropped before hunting. My fault. Anyhow, I paid much money for this knife, however, no good. So, my friend has a leather washer handle version. Maybe he will want to experience this handle. So, trading will be possible with my friend. This will go to my friend, and my friend's leather washer handle will come to me. That is both happy, maybe. Okay? This type of knife, leather washer, is the best choice in practice. Today, I learned from actual experience. Thank you very much for watching. This is hotel, different table. Bye bye. Bye bye.